Welcome back to Prosper and Create Real Wealth. We are grateful for your continuous support. Today we're delving into the power of gratitude, a force so potent it can positively transform our lives. Often we express this gratitude either to a higher power or to our peers. Both of these channels have their unique benefits and impacts on our well-being, so let's explore them. Firstly, expressing gratitude to a higher power, often God, is an act deeply intertwined with our faith and spirituality. It's a profound acknowledgement of divine influence in our lives, fostering a connection with something greater than ourselves. This form of gratitude often promotes humility, a feeling of being part of a grander plan, and can provide a spiritual means of coping with hardship. It encourages us to view life's events as part of a divine design, which can bring comfort, especially during challenging times. It also can lead to inner peace, contentment, and a sense of spiritual fulfillment, reducing anxiety and stress. On the other hand, expressing gratitude to our peers is more interpersonal. It involves recognizing the specific actions or qualities of those around us, enhancing social bonds and mutual respect. This form of gratitude directly improves relationships and can build a supportive community, strengthening our existing social networks and creating new bonds. It can enhance our self-esteem and feelings of social worth by recognizing the value of our relationships and interconnectedness with others. It also directly boosts happiness and reduces feelings of loneliness and isolation, improving our mood by enhancing feelings of social connectedness. In essence, gratitude to God often aligns with spiritual or religious fulfillment and a broader existential perspective. Meanwhile, gratitude to peers is more about strengthening social bonds and recognizing the immediate impact of others in our lives. In both cases, gratitude is not just about saying thank you, it's about acknowledging the good in our lives and recognizing that the source of this goodness is outside of ourselves. Whether it's to a higher power or to our peers, gratitude has the power to transform our lives. First, let's explore what it means to express gratitude to God. This form of gratitude is deeply rooted in faith and spirituality. It's about acknowledging the divine influence that plays a role in our lives, fostering a connection with a higher power. Expressing gratitude to God also creates a sense of community. Those who express this kind of gratitude often find themselves part of religious or spiritual communities. These communities offer a sense of belonging and shared belief, which can be a powerful source of support and comfort. When it comes to self-perception, gratitude to God can promote humility and a sense of being part of a larger plan. It often involves surrendering control and acknowledging a divine role in one's blessings. This surrender isn't about giving up, but rather about understanding that we are part of something bigger. Gratitude to God also offers a spiritual means of coping with hardship. It provides comfort and a sense of hope or faith in a higher plan during tough times. This form of gratitude can be a beacon of light in the darkest times, reminding us that we are not alone in our struggles. The mental health benefits of expressing gratitude to God are significant. It can lead to inner peace, contentment, and a sense of spiritual fulfillment, thereby reducing anxiety and stress. It's like a soothing balm for the soul, calming our fears and quieting our minds. Finally, expressing gratitude to God can encourage us to see life's events as part of a divine design. It can bring comfort, especially when we're trying to find meaning in adverse situations. This perspective can be incredibly empowering, allowing us to find peace and acceptance in the face of adversity. In essence, gratitude to God provides spiritual fulfillment and a broader perspective on life's events. It's about recognizing the divine influence in our lives and finding comfort and strength in our faith. It encourages us to look beyond the here and now, to see the bigger picture and find peace in the belief that we are part of a divine plan. Now, we pivot to expressing gratitude to our peers. When we think of gratitude, we often think of it as a one-way street. We are thankful for something, and that's it. But gratitude is more than just a feeling. It's an action. It's a two-way street, a cycle of giving and receiving that strengthens our social bonds. Recognizing the specific actions or qualities of others enhances these bonds, fostering mutual respect and appreciation. It's about acknowledging the good in others, the things they do that make our lives better, more meaningful. This recognition not only strengthens our existing social networks, but can also create new bonds. But expressing gratitude to our peers goes beyond enhancing our social bonds. It also affects how we see ourselves. It enhances our self-esteem and our feelings of social worth. When we recognize the value in others, we also recognize the value in our relationships, and in turn, the value in ourselves. Gratitude to peers also bolsters our resilience. Knowing that others care, that they appreciate us, and that we are not alone, provides emotional support and practical help. It serves as a source of strength, helping us bounce back from adversities and challenges. In terms of mental health benefits, gratitude to peers directly boosts happiness and reduces feelings of loneliness and isolation. It improves our mood by enhancing our feelings of social connectedness. It's a reminder that we are part of a community, that we belong. Lastly, gratitude to peers fosters a sense of gratitude for life's more tangible, immediate aspects. The acts of kindness, the support, the everyday interactions that make life worth living. It encourages us to focus on the here and now, to appreciate the beauty in the ordinary, the magic in the mundane. Gratitude to peers, therefore, strengthens our social bonds and recognizes the immediate impact that others have on our lives. It's about acknowledging the good in others and the good in ourselves. It's about recognizing that we are part of a community, and that we matter. And most importantly, it's about expressing our thanks, not just feeling it. Because gratitude, after all, is not just a feeling, it's an action. So, how do we actually express this gratitude? Well, the beauty of gratitude is that it can be expressed in a myriad of ways, reflecting our unique perspectives and experiences. When it comes to expressing gratitude to a higher power, the practice is often private and personal. It might be part of your daily prayer or meditation routine, a quiet moment of reflection where you acknowledge divine influence in your life. This form of gratitude promotes humility and a sense of surrender, recognizing that we are part of a larger plan. It's about fostering a spiritual connection, a bond that transcends the physical realm. On the flip side, expressing gratitude to our peers is more direct and observable. These expressions are not confined to our inner world, but are shared through our words, actions, and gestures. You might express gratitude to a friend for their support, to a colleague for their hard work, or to a loved one for their kindness. These expressions of gratitude are often reciprocal, enhancing our social bonds and mutual respect. The way we express our gratitude to others can also impact our self-perception. Recognizing the value of our relationships and interconnectedness with others can enhance our self-esteem and feelings of social worth. It's a reminder that we are not alone, and that our actions have a ripple effect, touching the lives of those around us. In essence, the expression of gratitude, whether to a higher power or our peers, is a practice of mindfulness. It's taking a moment to pause, to reflect on the blessings in our lives, and to acknowledge the sources of these blessings. It's a practice that encourages us to be present, to savor the good in our lives, and to extend this goodness to others. But remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to expressing gratitude. It's a deeply personal practice that can be tailored to your beliefs, values, and experiences. You might find comfort in the privacy of expressing gratitude to a higher power, or you might thrive on the directness and reciprocity of expressing gratitude to your peers. Remember, the way we express gratitude can be as diverse and individual as we are. You might wonder, can these two forms of gratitude coexist? The answer is a resounding yes. Gratitude to God and gratitude to peers are not mutually exclusive, but rather they complement each other in a harmonious dance of appreciation. Expressing gratitude to God often aligns with spiritual fulfillment, providing a broader existential perspective. It's about acknowledging a divine role in our blessings and seeing life's events as part of a grand design. On the other hand, gratitude to peers is more immediate, more tangible. It's about appreciating the acts of kindness and support we receive daily, recognizing the value of our relationships, and enhancing our social bonds. When these two forms of gratitude intertwine, they create a balanced perspective on life, enriching our sense of well-being. They bring together the spiritual and the social, the divine and the human, the existential and the everyday. Gratitude in all its forms contributes to our well-being, nurturing a balanced perspective on life. In conclusion, gratitude, whether directed to God or to peers, enriches our lives. It's clear that expressing thanks to a higher power can foster a profound spiritual connection and offers a comforting perspective on life's events. This form of gratitude often brings about inner peace and a sense of belonging to a larger plan. Meanwhile, expressing gratitude to peers strengthens our social bonds and enhances feelings of self-worth. It's a powerful tool in boosting happiness, reducing feelings of loneliness, and fostering a supportive community. In essence, both forms of gratitude serve to complement each other, contributing to our overall well-being and a balanced perspective on life. It's not a matter of choosing one over the other, but more about realizing the unique benefits each brings to our lives. Remember, gratitude can transform your life. So if this video resonated with you, please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, stay grateful and continue to prosper and create real wealth.